Meaning of freight.
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 Freight. The term freight refers to the transportation of goods or cargo by any means, such as by truck, train, ship, or airplane. Freight can refer to either the goods being transported or the cost of transporting those goods from one location to another. Freight is a crucial component in the global trade economy, enabling the movement of goods across continents and oceans. Efficient freight transportation allows businesses to access new markets, lower production costs, and increase profits. With freight being a vital aspect of international commerce, there is a continual push for improved logistics systems and infrastructure.